Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Your question is, show that root 3 cosec 20 degrees minus sec 20 degrees is equals to 4. Now to prove this identity, we are going to start with our left hand side. So consider left hand side, that is equals to root 3 cosec 20 degrees minus sec 20 degrees. Now there is no identity in cosec or sec, so we can change it in sin cos. So this can be written as 1 upon sin 20 degrees and this can be written as 1 upon cos 20 degrees. Okay, by taking LCM we will get sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees, and in the numerator you will get root 3 cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees, isn't it? Now there is a formula to rewrite a sin theta plus b cos theta. You can change this expression in a single sine or cosine ratio by जो भी आपका साइन थीटा और कोसाइन थीटा के जो भी कोएफिशिएंट्स होते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर एंड प्लस बी स्क्वायर, इससे आप अपने एक्सप्रेशन को मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर देते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड योर एक्सप्रेशन बाय root of a square plus b square, and after that this can be changed into cos something, cos alpha, then this will automatically change into sin alpha, and this expression will become cos alpha sin theta plus sin alpha cos theta, and that can be written as sin of alpha theta plus alpha. So by applying these steps, we can change our expression in the numerator. Now what we will do, square root of root 3 square plus 1 square is equals to square root of 4, that is 2. First of all we are going to multiply and divide by 2 in the numerator. So you will get cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 sin 20 degrees. Okay, this will become the numerator, sin 20 degrees cos 20 degrees. Now root 3 by 2 can be written as sin 60 degrees. Okay, root 3 by 2 is sin 60 degrees and this is cos 20 degrees, minus 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 degrees into sin 20 degrees. Now the denominator is same, sin 20 degrees and cos 20 degrees. Now by using formula sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equals to sin of A minus B. So this can be written as sin of 60 minus 20 sin 40, and to create in sin 40 in the denominator we can again multiply and divide by 2. So 2 sin A sin theta cos theta, 2 sin A cos A can be written as sin 2A. Okay, so this can be written as sin 2A, that is 40 degrees. Now numerator is also sin 40 degrees and denominator is also sin 40 degrees. They will cancel out and your answer is 4.